Hi guys, this is Luxurious Lux coming back at you with a new DIY project. In today's project, I want to show you how I created my own glam vase. So stay tuned. Okay, so the supplies you're going to need are Dollar Tree flowers of your choice, a vase, self-adhesive gem strips, and your color of choice of spray paint. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're just going to take the vase outside and make sure you're wearing gloves with this project so none of the spray paint gets on your fingers. And all I did was I sprayed 2 to 3 coats to make sure that the vase had full coverage. Okay, and this is what the vase looks like after it has dried for a few hours. So I replaced the rose gold gem strips with the silver because I think it's going to look a lot better with the blush pink. And this step is pretty easy. Like I said, they are self-adhesive, so all you have to do is just stick them along the vase. If you want a more permanent look, you can use E6000 or hot glue. Alright, and this is the final look. I absolutely love how my vase turned out. I'm trying to add a little bit of glam to my living room. Let me know what you guys think and comment down below. And if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe and stay tuned.